Okay, in this topic called Surds, it's very important. We must always simplify. What is meant by simplify? We need to adopt or rather use the law of indices for this particular topic. So let me take a look at part A. So remember, I can combine the terms inside the root to be written as 27 times 3, you get 81. We will all know that square root of 81 is just 9. Same thing, we need to show the working. Oh, square root divided by another square root. I can write them together. 125 divided by 5 is just square root of 25. And we will know that square root of 25 is equal to 5. Take note, in simplification of surd, there could be perfect square inside the number if you cannot square root nicely. So if you take a look at part C, oh, there is a perfect square number 4 inside. So let me write the working out. 4 times 3. Alright, there is a factor 4 inside number 12 and it can be written as 4 times 3. So, teacher, this means that it's a square root 4 multiplied by a square root 3. Can we do a square root 4? We'll get a 2. So this is the simplest form. Teacher, but if it's very obvious, can I skip this step? Yes, you can skip this step if you want to. Okay, for me in part D, I don't like to deal with big numbers. So I don't want to multiply the 80 times 12. It's very difficult. So I deal with small number. Is there a perfect square inside number 80? So we all realize there's a perfect square for each number 80 and 12 at the numerator. But at the denominator, a square root, if you apply a square. So after I have simplified, what I need to do? 4 root 5 multiplied by 2 root 3 over 16. Let me reduce to the lowest term. Alright? So I have a 4, 1, 1, 2. Final answer. Square root 5 times square root 3 divided by 2. Do you realize that number 5 and number 3 are all prime numbers again? Alright? You can leave this as your answer, but if you want to write it this way, it's also acceptable.